Hello, I am Sandra Guerrero and this is my final exam for the course Teaching English to Adolescents and Adults. For this activity I have prepared this WebQuest because I think this is a wonderful way to take advantage of the ICT's resources. And on the web we can find a lot of interesting materials to teach English. So I have designed this activity for some students between 13 and 14 years old, and they are studying in high school, and they will receive this activity as part of their preparation in English. The first step in a web quest is the introduction, where you say the students what to expect for. So this is something about a new case that where we are telling the students that they have to make a description, but they have to use some comparative adjectives and superlative adjectives. The first step is to motivate them, and I have selected this song as a material for motivation. This is about superlative and comparative adjectives. So they click on the link and go to the YouTube site and listen to the song and learn from it. Okay, this is the first material. Then they have to click on task to find out what is the task that they are supposed to do. So the task is, you will write a description of the solar system with many adjectives in comparative and superlative forms. So I'm telling them what to do. I'm telling students, okay, you have to make a description of the solar system. But I have to provide all the materials that they need for making this description. And I have to provide information about the solar system, but I also have to provide information about the grammar topics that we are developing here, which is adjectives in comparative and superlative forms. So I have used this link to a video where a teacher is explaining how to form and use comparative and superlative adjectives. Now they click here in this video and can access to this interesting material where someone is telling how to make comparative and superlative adjectives. Okay, there's another resource that I consider that is interesting for them to accomplish this task. Then they have to go to the process. That is, they have to begin to develop the activity. So I wrote for them, remember, you have to search some information about the kind of work you are supposed to do. So click in every link to find the interesting clues to get your goals. Okay, I have included another link here to get information about the solar system, because they need to know something about the solar system, about the planets, about the suns. They need to know what is the biggest, what is the hottest, etc. Okay, and then we go to the next stage of the WebQuest, which is resources. In resources, I have also included some activities that they can solve to help them find a way to accomplish the task and make the description. For instance, I think this list of comparatives and superlatives adjectives, it's interesting for them. They can select whatever they need. They can find the adjective, positive form, comparative, and superlative form. And this is the translation too. So this is an interesting resource for them, so they can select the adjectives that they need. Okay, as you see, this is my web quest. I hope you have liked it. There are many other resources, but we have no time to show them all, so I'm so sorry. Thanks a lot.